All right, let's look at the homework 5, problem number 3. All right, so we want to find an equation of the tangent line to the graph of this function f of x at x equals 0. All right, so let's do that. All right, so remember that you always need two pieces of information to find an equation of a line. First one is going to be a point. So I'm going to call this point x1, comma y1. All right, and the second piece of information we need is going to be a slope. So I'm going to call it m. All right, so let's find the point. All right, so x1 value is given right here. So this is going to be a x1 value. X1 value is 0. Right? Then in order to find the corresponding y1 value, all you have to do is plug in 0 for x into the function. So you have we have to compute the f of 0, right? So what's that? So it's x coordinate is 0, f of 0. Right, if you plug in 0 here, e to the 0 is 1. So you have an 18 plus 8 times 0 is 0. So 18 plus 0 is 18. All right, so we found a point on that line, 0, 18. All right, this is actually the same thing as the y-intercept. So maybe I'm going to just call this guy y-intercept. So since x is 0, 18 is a y-intercept b, right? So all you need is slope, right? So let's find a slope. All right, so to find a slope, we need to find the derivative of the function and plug in the x value. So in this case, x value is 0. All right, so let's find the derivative first. So f prime of x is equal to, all right, so 18 is just a constant multiple. We just write it down. Derivative of e to the x is e to the x, right? And derivative of 8x is just going to be 8, right? So all you have to do is plug in 0 for x. So you have 18 times e to the 0 plus 8. Right, so remember that e to the 0 is just going to be 1. So you have 18 times 1, so 18 plus 8. So it's going to be 26. So you have 26. All right, so in this case, we have a slope and an intercept. So we can use a slope-intercept form to find the equation. The equation is going to be y equals mx plus b, right? M is 26, x plus b. B is 18. So we have that. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we have y equals 26x plus 18. All right, so let's check the answer. We got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.